Hi all, this is Surya from Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development. Today we are going to see about the Software Engineering-SDLC prototype model. Prototyping is a general approach to develop an effective replicate of any idea of software or system which needs further engineering for making it its ultimate product. The prototype model will represent a mini sized duplicate copy of your target and product which requires precise customer feedback for crafting accordingly. A prototype of an application typically displays the workability of the product development phase but may not essentially contain the exact requirement of the accepted outcome. In this chapter, you learn about one of the most popular SDLC model, that is prototyping model. What is modern prototype model? Here, the prototyping model is a methodology that is treated as a model of software development where the prototype, which is pre-matured approximate sample final product, is constructed and then tested. After that, rework is done on that unfinished product as per requirement in anticipation of building a suitable prototype that is at last attained after the entire software is developed and then it was delivered to the customer. It is a useful model for those who project requirement is not fully known or there is constant update required based on the customer satisfaction. It can be considered as trial and error method which takes place involving the developers as well as users. The model has two types: rapid throwaway prototyping. In this, the developers are explore the ideas as well as get proper customer feedback. Here the prototype need not be a final one and so it can be further iterated to develop new version of the final product. What is the modern prototype model? Evolutionary prototyping. Here, your development prototype will primarily be incremented for refining on the foundation of customer opinion until the final one gets accepted. It provides an improvement way which can save time and effort. Phrase of prototype model: requirement identification. Here, the identification of product requirement is cleared in the detail. It is done through interview some product future users and other members of the department. Design stage. A first round design is treated created in the stage for new system. Built the initial prototype. An initial prototype, the target software, is built from the original design. Working of all product components may not be perfect or accurate. The first sample model is tailored as per the command pair given by the model. Review of the prototype. After the product completes all the iterations of the update and is presented to the customer or the stakeholders of the project, the response is accumulated in an organized way so that they can be used for further system enhancement. Review of the prototype. After the product completes all the iterations of the update, it is presented to customer or the stakeholder project and respond accumulated in the organized way so that the further system enhancements. Iteration and enhancement of prototype. Once the review of the product is done, it is a set of further enhancement based on factors like time, workforce, as well as budget. Also, the technical feasibility, the actual implementation is checked. The final system is truly evaluated and tested. Periodically, maintenance is conceived and ongoing basics of preventing the large scale breakdown as well as minimize downtime. Benefits of prototype model. It is possible for the customer to acquire or witness the partial product at every stage of development and enhancement. New requirements can be smoothly added because the scope for enhancement in the system. Malfunctions can be effortlessly figured out. Detections of the errors can be easily found out to improve the quality of the software. Thank you all.